Hello again, Jeremy Chapman here with another secret tip using Office 365, this time to record your screen. I'm going to show you how to do that right from the browser, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start in Windows 11, but this also works in Windows 10 as well as Mac OS from Google Chrome or from the Edge browser. So I'm in Office 365 and I'll navigate to Stream. If I don't see it there, I can go ahead and open up All Apps, then open Stream. And this is basically like a corporate YouTube type environment where you can upload videos and have them discoverable by your colleagues. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Create and record screen or video. And from there, if you've got your camera and microphone turned on, you can see your camera along with the screen background, and you can choose to do just screen only or camera only. I'll choose screen only in my case. And now when I hit the record button, that gives me the option to share system audio, which is great for a game or a video if you want to record that. And you can also go into show just Windows or browser tabs as well. In my case, I'll record the entire screen and I'll hit share. Now that starts the countdown, and once that's started, you want to leave this browser tab open. Don't close it because that will stop the recording. So now with that open, I can go to other things on the screen. I can hide this modal here, and I can open up, for example, an Office document just to show what the recording experience looks like later. So this will record everything that's happening on the screen. So here I've got my International Marketing Strategies doc open. It records that just fine. If I move over to desktops and to desktop 2 with a 4-finger swipe, I can go ahead and open the Windows 11 Start menu and swipe back to desktop 1. It's still recording everything. Now if I go back to the tab that's doing the recording, once I hit pause, right now that's going to actually pause the recording. I can do other stuff and then resume if I want to. And if I want to stop the recording, well, that's where I can go to the next button, and that actually stops the recording. Then from here, if I want, I can edit this recording down. I can, for example, trim off the end of the video. So I'm going to do that now and trim off some of the stuff that I did at the end of the video, and I just maybe want to focus on the Windows 11 desktop swipe and getting to the Start menu. There it is. And at the front of the video, maybe I want to get rid of some of the recording screens there and just go straight into when I started recording. So in here I can even, if I want to look at it, and I can preview the video right from this editing view. So I'll go ahead and play it. And I see that, you know, that modal's still there with the hide, so I can go ahead and trim that part of the video off as well. So I want to start it right here. And now once everything is kind of looking good, so I'm previewing this video right from the kind of quick editing screen to review the recording. It's looking, you know, like I expect it to look. I've taken off the front and the back of the video, and it looks like it's going to be about 23 seconds right now. And once I feel good about that, I can click upload to stream. So that's going to prepare then that 23-second small version. Now from there, all I have to do is give the video a name. So I'll go ahead and call mine Screen Capture 4. I can leave a description if I want. Here I can choose the language of the video if I recorded microphone with it. I can share it out with everyone as soon as I hit the publish button. I can preview it from here as well just to make sure everything looks right before I publish the video. And now if I go into save the video file, which I can do as well, I can manually save a file. And in this case, what we're going to see here is that it's saving as a .webm file. That's the video format that it saves as natively. I have a couple here saved already, so I'll go ahead and save this one. Now that one I can bring into an editing tool if I want to and edit the file, or I can convert it to an MP4 or whatever I need to edit the file if I want. So that was just a really quick tip for using Microsoft Stream to be able to record your screen right from the browser. No software required, no OBS, no Camtasia, no PowerPoint even. You can just go right from Microsoft Stream in the browser. If you like that tip, be sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching.